They are one of two Bahamians in the lineup. And a ninth athlete has been added. Kenyatta Great of the British Virgin Islands added to the field. She'll go in lane 9. Final of the under-20 girls, 100 meters.
Alana Reid, the outstanding 10-9-2 winner of the Boys and Girls Championships in Jamaica. Another outstanding favorite, lines up in lane number 5.
Confirmation of the list.
Have qualified comfortably. Frederick looking very strong at the end of her races. She's 4.95, lane number 4 from Trinidad and Tobago.
Love the look of Frederick. Can't sleep on her. But Alana Reid is class.
In the field too, Chantalia Dorset, second in the under-17s last year to Hodge, has made it to the final under 20 in her first year in the group.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Lane 4, Sana Frederick, Trinidad and Tobago. 11:52 to get into this final. Second fastest, 11:54. Alana Reid in her semi-final, but she was cruising from about 50 meters out.
That was a stroll. She'll go faster now in the final.
Under 20 girls 100 final. Off they go. Alana Reid got up well for Jamaica. Reid goes to the front. Alana Reid in control. Alexis James tries to go with her. She can't. Alana Reid blows the field away. 10:94 on the clock. 11:17 it has been adjusted to. Alana Reid produces a super performance. And outside of the controversial record on the books, 11:03 by Aileen Bailey and Tamika Clark, this is the fastest we've seen electronically timed in the history of the Caribbean Games. Alana Reid strikes gold. Jamaica finishes 1-2.
This is a super season for Alana Reid. Big double at Boys and Girls Championships, and here unprecedented in the 100 final. James
in the hurdles, now here in the finals of the 100 meters at Champs.
As reported and suspected, lane 4 empty, no Serena Cole. Alana Reid, she's from Heidel, she goes in lane 5.
Favorite in this event, 11.16 seconds.
Time she set in the semis, her new PB.
This is Tony and Forbes, she's from Edwin Allen, she goes in lane 6.
Edwin Allen's #1 representative here this evening, behind, because Serena Cole is not there. She ran 11:51 to get here.
From Morosca Road to the National Stadium, Michaela Gardner here representing for Wolmer's.
Consistent performer over the years for Wolmer's High School, 11.59 seconds.
Sweet sprinter, Kamaria Knight, she is from St. Catherine.
Another opportunity for the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, to celebrate with St. Catherine. 11:55 is the time that young Knight took to get to this final. So, Spencer, we have lost Serena Cole. We still have Alana Reid. We still have the potential, with the conditions being excellent, for sub-11, but certainly breaking Veronica Campbell's record of 11:13.
Again, I think you're spot on, Bruce, because when we looked at Alana Reid doing 11.16 to finish 300ths of a second outside the record in the semis, that tells you she is peaking at the right time. She is in prime time shape
And just
to
to
deliver
say, Spencer,
something special here again. Yes, Maurice?
less pressure can mean faster times.
Indeed. So Alana Reid, the big favorite in lane 5. Oh, how we would have loved to have seen the clash with Serena Cole, because it's one apiece between them at the moment. The set position. Off they go. It's a fabulous start by Alana Reid. Alexis James of Petersfield gives chase, but Alana Reid steps away from the pack, decimates the opposition. Stunning performance, 10.90, the flash time, historic, sumptuous, new champs record, new lifetime best. A 22-year-old record has been smashed in absolutely majestic terms. Alana Reid, take that to the bank. What a performance. A run for the ages. Wow.
That's the national junior record.
That's also a national. Go with it.
Yeah,
do it external.
National junior record, positive 1.0 meters per second.
The final of the women's 100 meters. In lane 2, Alexandra Stoilova of Australia, 19 years old. In lane 3, Justina Tiana Ekaboyan of Nigeria, 17 years old, personal best 11:24. Kishorna Niles of Barbados, 11:33. Very much a 100-meter runner, improving so much all through this year. In lane 5 for Great Britain and Northern Ireland, Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, been training in Jamaica, European under-18 champion. Alongside her, Alana Reid of Jamaica. She's been training with Sha'Carri Richardson and her group in America. Bronze in Cali. Lead leg for the relay team that took 5th in Paris. And Chelsea Kadiri of Germany. She's found form at the right time. Season's best to impress in her semi to reach this final. Adeja Hodge of the British Virgin Islands. Semi-finals of the 200 meters in Paris. Now in the final of the World Juniors. And Viva Jinkwi of South Africa looked really impressive in heats. Had to qualify as the fastest finisher from that semi-final. 8 women, fastest qualifiers in those central lanes there. Niles, Reid, Wedderburn-Goodison. Battling it out for this title. Concentration. Focus, final rehearsals. Down the track.
On your marks.
Fast psyching up, settling into the blocks. The final of the women's 100 meters here in Lima at the World Junior Athletics Championships.
Set.
Good start from Alana Reid, who seems to hold the lead slightly at the moment. Can she maintain that? Hodge battling to get back on terms. Wedderburn-Goodison trying to get up there. Hodge could not get back to Alana Reid, who took it on the line. Niles it was who took the bronze medal, 11:18. She does improve on her bronze from Cali, and she takes home the gold medal this time. Congratulations to Alana Reid. Hodge of the British Virgin Islands takes the silver medal, 11:27, and Niles for Kishorna Niles for Barbados does take that bronze medal position. 4th for Naya Wedderburn-Goodison, and Jinkwi came up for 5th, Kadiri in 6th. Looking for the flag, there she goes. Find the flag to celebrate. Big smiles, as there should be. She ran the lead-off leg for that Jamaican team, finished 5th in Paris. I'm sure has topped that now by taking home the title to Jamaica. That is the first Jamaican gold medal of these World Junior Championships. Hodge calmly walking around to make their way around for the photos first.
Shauna Niles on Barbados, only 19 years of age. She joins that exclusive group of 3 Barbadians who medal in the history of the World Under 20 Championships.
You can see that crucial to get a good, quick, fast start in this 100 meters, and Alana Reid was able to do that and held that advantage all the way to the line. Hodge did not get quite as good start, but did close extremely well. Niles very consistent all the way down, holding that advantage that she held from the start over Wedderburn Goodison.
Hi guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I am Michelle, and if you're watching me for the first time, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. And to my returning subscribers, I really want to appreciate the love and the support you're really giving me. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. I really need that support you're giving me, and I do appreciate for the support you're giving me. So guys, in today's clip, we have all watched the race. Alana Reid breaking a record that is shocking everyone, that is leaving people speechless. We all know Jamaica has been dominating when it comes to race. Jamaica has been a country that is breaking records every now and then. It's a country that is always making people talk about. It's a country that makes sure they are winning when it comes to race. And Jamaica is mostly known for its fastest and has the best runners in the world. Jamaica has runners that break records that nobody has ever broken. We all have seen Alana Reid has done a great job at that field. She is running as fast as she can. She wanted to make Jamaica proud, and she has done it. Alana Reid is one of the upcoming females who are running, and she is proving to the world that she can do it, and she is proving to everyone who did not believe in her that she can do it. We all know Jamaica has the best female runners. Let's talk about Sherika Jackson, Kishen Thompson. They are being the best runners in Jamaica right now. They are runners who are being talked about all over the world. They are making people talk about them all over the world because they're doing a great job. They are making Jamaica proud. They are doing a perfect work for Jamaica, and they are known for the best work they are doing, for the good work they are doing. They are well known, they are well admired. They are making these upcoming runners from other countries to want to be like them. They are role models to many people. They are role models to upcoming runners, and they're showing us that it is possible for you to run. If you want to achieve your goals, it's very possible for you. It's all about practice. It's all about hard work. It's all about working smart. It's all about knowing what you want. They're showing us that you can achieve your goals. And Jamaica is a country that has the fastest runners. Jamaica is well known as the home of sprinters. We all know about Usain Bolt, a man who broke a record that nobody has ever broken a record till today, simply because these people make sure They make sure they break records that only Jamaicans can break. They make sure they break records that will shock everybody, and they make sure that they break records that will take a longer period for people to achieve that goal. It will take a longer period of time for people to reach that record. They are making sure they are breaking records. They are always making sure that they are the center of attention. These people are working smart and they deserve it. These people deserve to be these people deserve what they are having, because they are doing their best, they are working hard, they are working smart. So guys, we are happy. As for me, I'm happy for Alana Reid. She did her best. She is perfect. She's doing good. She's doing great. We should all clap for that lady, because she's coming up so fast and she's doing a good job for a country as Jamaica. I'm sure they are proud to have a woman like Alana Reid. They are really, really, really proud to have a woman like Alana Reid, because as a woman and you're running as fast as Alana Reid, it's something big, and it's something that is supposed to be given a hand of applause, because it's not easy for every woman to run like Alana Reid, and it takes effort. It takes hard work for somebody to reach to that point. So guys, let's always support Jamaican runners, because they are making their country proud. Let's always support these people, because they are doing a great job. And if it was for the first time you're coming across my video, kindly don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and even comment. Let's meet on our next video. Bye. One love.